How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail, we are going to show you how to set your automatic power folding mirrors to close as you lock your vehicle. And this is going to be pretty much for all GM trucks. And we're going to get right into it. So as you guys can see, we're on the inside here of the truck. You're going to want to go first to your home button here and get on the main menu screen. You're going to want to swipe to the left. You'll be in here in your settings. You want to go to settings, let that load. You're going to want to hit vehicle. And then, as you guys can see, you will have to have your vehicle running, which is good to know. So once your vehicle is started, you will go, as you guys can see, you have all these options. You're going to want to go to comfort and convenience. And you can see here, remote mirror folding. That's what you're going to want to equip. And now that that is equipped, we will go outside the vehicle and show you guys with the vehicle off as if you're walking away and locking your vehicle. All right, guys, so as you can see, we are on the outside of the vehicle now with the key fob in hand. So we are going to go ahead and press the lock button here. And you guys can see the mirrors are folded in now on both sides. So if you walk away and lock your vehicle, that is how you equip the remote power folding mirrors. If you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like. Also comment down below on if you guys knew how to do this or if it was kind of like a feature that wasn't so obvious. Let us know down below and we will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.